Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Jeep Patriot 2007 to 2017? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2007 and 2008 Jeep Patriot protects circuits for the engine, transmission, lighting, and ABS. It includes labeled fuses and relays for easy troubleshooting and maintenance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2009 and 2010 Jeep Patriot manages electrical protection for systems like the powertrain, lighting, ABS, and cooling fans. It uses standard blade fuses and relays with labeled positions for efficient service and fault detection. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2013 Jeep Patriot controls and protects circuits for the engine, transmission, lighting, and safety systems. It uses a combination of blade fuses and relays with clear labeling for easy identification and maintenance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2014 to 2017 Jeep Patriot provides circuit protection for key systems like the PCM, lighting, ABS, and cooling fan. It features blade-type fuses and relays, clearly labeled for quick diagnostics and maintenance. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.